it's totally up to you and your goals. If you are happy and trying to get extra stash, or you would like to donate milk, there is no reason that you need to avoid lactation cookies. There will be no harm there. Okay, so what you can do now is really educate yourself on breastfeeding and what you want to do. But when it comes time, skin and skin contact, avoiding stress, so just relax and know that your milk will come in. Don't stress about it. It's good to avoid paddles and pacifiers those first few days, just because those are so much easier to suck on. So once they go to that, it's harder for them to go back to the breast. Okay, so the biggest thing is supply and demand. So making sure you're pumping, nursing the baby as much as you can, and then increasing galactagogues. So trying goat's through, fenugreek-free supplement, lactation cookies, whatever worked best for you in the past will likely work again. Honestly, it's just, you have to keep at it, pumping and baby to breast. It's going to come back. It might take some time, but you'll get your supply back up. Okay, so our ready to eat M&M lactation cookies were out of stock for a little bit, but I'm happy to report they're back in stock, and all of our 5 lactation cookie mixes and brownie mix are currently on stock at Amazon. So go ahead and swipe up. I have the link to Amazon. Okay, so unfortunately a lot of nonprofits will not accept a used breast pump. However, you can call your breast pump maker and see if they have a recycling program. You can also call recycling centers for electronics. Okay, sorry, so I got cut off there and had to talk a little quickly because it's my first time doing a Q&A. I didn't realize how short it would be. So anyways, yeah, so unfortunately a lot of nonprofits will not accept them just because of bodily fluids being, possibly be on there, so just for safety reasons a lot of them don't accept it. However, a lot of makers of breast pumps have a recycling program. So for instance, Medela has a recycling program, so you can contact them and they'll let you know what the requirements are. Maybe they'll send you a shipping label and then you can send it to them. The small electronics, so like laptop places, a lot of times we'll take small electronics back. Okay, so the best way to take care of a clogged duct is a warm compress on the breast for about 20 minutes. Avoid bras with underwiring. You can also do an Epsom salt bath. These are really helpful ways. And you can finally massage the breast. So the way I'm understanding this question is terrified, so like scared, so which I'm thinking more stress. And stress is one of the biggest factors with producing breast milk. So if you do have a high stress level, it is shown to decrease your milk supply.
If you're not following us yet, be sure to follow us at Mommy Knows Best on Instagram. And remember, if you're watching this and doubting yourself, you are a great mom. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next week.